The sum of 4 consecutive 2-digit odd numbers when divided by 10 becomes a perfect square. These are 4 consecutive odd number, 2-digit odd numbers. The largest number I can take is 99, 97, 95, 93, which is 16 plus 5, 21 plus 3 is 24, 2, 38. The maximum sum can be this. When divided by 10 will be 38.4, and it should be a perfect square, which means that perfect square should be less than 38.4. So it can be what? It can be 36, 25, it can be 16, it can be 9, 4 or 1. But again, since this is the sum of 2-digit odd numbers, which means I need to keep that in mind. The minimum sum will be 11, 13, 15. This is maximum. This is minimum. So it is 56, which means if I take the if I divide it by 10, it will be 5.6, which means the perfect square should be more than 5.6. So these are the 4 values possible. Now, if it is 36, then the sum of the 4 numbers will be 36 into 4, 36 into 10, 36 into 10, which means 360. So the sum will be 360. Now, the sum of the 4 odd numbers, 4 consecutive odd number will be 360 when numbers are 89, 87, 91, 93. Now, if the perfect square is 25, after dividing by 10, then the sum should be 250. Now, 250 cannot be the sum of the 4 consecutive odd numbers. So this case is not possible. Not possible. If after dividing by 10, the perfect square is 16, that means the sum should be 160. If this is 160, then numbers will be 39, 37, 41, 43. And if the perfect square is 9, that means the sum of the number should be 90. And again, the sum of the 4 consecutive odd number cannot be 90. So this case is not possible. Okay. So these can be the numbers. Now the question is, which of the following can possibly be one of the 4 numbers? So see, it cannot be 21, it cannot be 25, it can be 41, it cannot be 67, it cannot be 73. So option C is the right answer.